So hi people, today I wanted to show to you new version of the Surfaces. What's the difference between this version and the previous version? I'm glad that someone published video tutorial. It is compatible with Blender 4.3 and newer. It works okay even with the newest version of Blender, because Blender, if you download this version by default, Blender doesn't have built-in addon. We currently have release candidate version. Today I will show to you how to install that addon. See all. You have option see all. Get addon. You can download or install from disk. Download. Where do you copy this? You have to copy this, and you can install as zip file. I also have version old. It should work with Blender 5.0.1 because I already installed it in a release candidate version, but I want to show to you where to go. You go to catalog of program, then you go to unpacked version 5.1 version scripts addons core, and you copy this file here. Oh, actually, did I unpack this? You don't unpack. I thought I have already copied that file. Okay, I would like to copy in the default folder Blender 5.0 scripts addons core, because I have to check if it works without any problems with version which was released in end of 2025. This is currently the most recent version, but I prefer 5.1 version is a lot better than this version. Okay, in edit options, if you go to addons, what version have we got? That version doesn't work properly, so we have to deselect. We have option install from disk. Program files, Blender Foundation, Blender 5.0. And you can install manually as a zip file. Now we have got the newest version. The newest version will work with Blender 5.01, 5.0.1. Edit. But I would like to add to the scene plane a string. I prefer secondary viewport to work with objects, because we need extra plane, and we will also need viewport, orthographic viewport, because it will help us to draw curve or annotation curve, because I want to make sure it is aligning properly. And now we have orthographic viewport. Make sure this is properly adjusted. Wait a minute. I shouldn't move. Something is not right. Okay, add the annotation. 3D cursor. If when you draw an annotation line, you don't close it completely because it will not work properly. Annotation to curve. In previous version of Bsurfaces, it didn't work at all. Or if you want this gizmo to select Ctrl Shift Alt C, origin to geometry. Now, because I want to extrude the interesting shape for you, but I also need to decimate curve. I should have gone to sleep because I'm waking up tomorrow in the morning to church people. No, I need at least points like that. You can also hide the handles, and we have to adjust curve approximation. Because I would like to show to you what interesting shapes you can extrude. I will save project, just in case. I'm very happy that this addon works perfect. With this version and the latest version 5.1.0 release candidate, because I have already tested. Okay, I will copy curve in edit mode, Shift D. Do not copy in object mode, because it will not work properly. Shift S. Okay, just have to double check if I do this right. Okay, active element. Bounding box. Oh, maybe I wanted to move those points like that. The reason why I wanted to do that, because I will create a quite interesting shape after when I move those points a bit further. And once again, Shift D. You can also make bigger gap between those objects. Unfortunately, I will have to turn handles on. Okay, now we will start using one option, set first points. No, it will indicate how polygon will go through curves. Now you can see it should generate proper polygon. Okay. Okay, we have to go to use picker object to select polygon, and for our curve, this. Now we generated our curve object. I forgotten to mention stretch. Stretch option is for closing curve. Gradually, you can gradually zip your curve by using option stretch. This is one of the possibilities when you work with this tool, and I hope you like my video tutorial. I have to go to sleep because I'm waking up early in the morning in order to get to church. But remember, when you go to add-ons, it doesn't exist by default. I also installed some other add-ons like dynamic context menu in this folder because the rest of the add-ons are from old version of Blender. And maybe I will provide all the add-ons for you, add-ons for Blender 4.3.0 beta, because only Blender 4.0 by default it had all missing add-ons, because I didn't have my favorite add-on by default like dynamic context menu. So you can have quick access. And also I really like loop tools. It also didn't exist by default, but I like very much this tool and Bsurfaces, and even add-on like curve tools. I should have enabled, and also tissue. We also have to check. Tissue is very interesting because it can generate different patterns for your polygon. And I hope you like my video tutorial. And see you guys. Sleep well.